Hey guys, welcome to Unit 3, Section 5. This should say Section 2. Forgot to change that again. My apologies. So this is Unit 3B, Section 2, and this is on the midsegment theorem. So the midsegment is a segment connecting the midpoints of two sides of a triangle. Okay, so normally I would do an investigation, but for the sake of time, we're not going to be able to do that. So the midsegment here on this diagram is DE. It's half the length of AC, which is our base, okay? And then it's also parallel to AC. That's the other key part to this. So when you have a midsegment, it is half of your base and it's also parallel. Okay, so now let's actually apply how we use that. So MP is a midsegment of triangle LNO. So here we have MP. Notice MP is the midsegment relative to NO. So if NO is 16, this has to be half of 16. So if you take 16 divided by 2, we know that x would be, because this equals x, 8. So x equals 8. The other part is MN is y. If we want to solve for y, remember that the midsegment is halfway through the triangle. So from here to here is 6. So if that's halfway, we just got to go another 6. Same idea over here for this triangle. From L to P, that's halfway since MP is a midsegment. So we go another 4 units, so x equals 4. Now this time we're given the midsegment is 5. If 5 is half of the base, we know we have to double the base. So we have, or double the midsegment to get to base. So 5 times 2 equals 10. Y equals 10. So there's our two answers there. We have one more problem with this. Find the LN, or find LN. Here we know that these two are the same. These two are the same. We can conclude EF is a midsegment because of that fact. Now what we need to realize is we don't know what the midsegment value is or what the base value is. How are we going to solve for this one? What we need to remember is that the midsegment is half of the base, or the base is 2 times the size of the midsegment. If we want them to equal each other, the option that I would choose to do is to just double your midsegment, and then it should equal the base. So we're going to take 2 times x plus 2, because that's the midsegment, set it equal with x plus 10, distribute, because we have to double everything there, we get 2x plus 4 equals x plus 10. Now they should be equal enough that we can solve for x. Subtract 4, 2x equals x plus 6. We're going to subtract x from both sides, and we get x equals 5. That's not the final answer, though, because remember, we're trying to find ln. ln is our base. So if we did this right... Oh, that's not... I was like, this is not going to work. This goes away. We get x equals 6, excuse me. 6 is the answer that we want, because now if we plug that in here, we get 6 plus 2, which equals 8. We get 6 plus 10, which equals 16. 8 is half of 16, so we did that right. And we wanted to find ln, which is the base, so ln is 16. We could put units if we want to be specific. You don't have to worry about that, though. All right, go ahead and try the homework for this video.